Mutual respect is truly the backbone of any healthy relationship, but more so with romantic relationships. A relationship without mutual respect will struggle to survive and ultimately will likely fail. Respect is important to a vast majority of men. The characteristics and behaviors that command respect from a woman might not be what you think they are, but they're simple to adopt once you understand them. In this video, I'm going to be giving you tips on how to make women respect you without even trying. Keep watching. Hey there, my name is Jessica. I am a broadcaster. I live in Accra, Ghana, and if this is the first time you're watching my video, you're most welcome to my channel. For those of you coming back, you know the love is deep. Let's jump right in. So today we're going to talk about how to make women respect you without even trying. Is it even possible? I'm here to tell you that it absolutely is. Point number one, the first and most important thing you need to do, my dear brother and friend, is increase your value. Increase your value. Now, if this woman is with you, you're dating, or the women in your life kind of see your progress, maybe you're learning a new skill, maybe you've gone back to school, maybe you got a job promotion and you're in a new role. All these things add to your personal value. It creates, even if it's a farce, it creates the impression that things are going well for you, you're a better man, you're a man of high value, and of course that increases your desirability and inadvertently also increases your respect. Now, women tend to respect men who know what they're about, who come across as successful, ambitious, a go-getter, know what they want, and are able to achieve them. When women see you smashing every single goal in your life, they know that you're a man of high value, and naturally they would gravitate towards you and respect you as well without you even trying. Let them see your progress. Let them see you climb up that corporate ladder. Let them see growth happening in your life, and respect will naturally come. Number two, numéro deux. Control your emotions. Now, it's very difficult for women to respect a man who cannot control his emotions. I mean, are you the kind who just flips into a fit of rage as soon as something doesn't go your way? Maybe you're out in the restaurant. Maybe you are out in the park. Maybe someone is rendering a service to you. Your girlfriend is present. The woman in your life is present, observing your every move and how exactly you're going to be reacting to this person rendering the service. If you're someone who just flips so fast, she might end up fearing you because she might be scared that you might, flip on her as well. The feeling that would bring or give her would be more of fear than respect. And trust me, it's not fear you want to invoke in the woman in your life. It is respect. Because once she stops feeling the fear, respect goes out the window. However, with respect, you can have her heart, body, and soul. In the same vein, if you're a man who cries at every single chance, sad movie, happy movie, any kind of movie, if you're that guy who is overly emotional and can't seem to get it together, you're going to come across as a softie. And nobody respects a softie, okay? So you need to have and find a nice balance. That point, that sweet spot where you can control your emotions so well that she just admires you. She becomes your fan and admirer. Because if it was a situation where she would flip, and you would rather keep a cool head and let reason take over instead of anger or any kind of adverse emotion, she'll respect you for it. Because she'll be wondering, why was he not even upset about that particular thing? I'd be flipping and doing cartwheels all over the floor, but this guy kept his cool. And that is admirable, absolutely respectable. And that's the kind of guy you want to be. That's the kind of person you want to show the woman in your life that you are. Number three. Now, respect her, Okay, now respect is a two-way street. I know respect is really big for men, but it's as big for women as well. Now, if you're with a partner who does not respect you, that can be one thing that could literally put a wedge in your relationship and prevent it from going anywhere. Respect is big, not just for men, but for women as well. And really, if you want to be respected, you need to respect others. It's a mutual two-way street. You can't always disrespect people around you, disrespect the woman in your life, and expect her, in fact, demand respect from her. Respect is earned. It's not requested or demanded. And so you need to work hard at reciprocating the kind of respect that she gives you by giving the same dose of respect back. I do not need to belabor the point. I think you catch my drift here. And so let's move on to point number 4. Numéro 4. I'm trying to remember my French days, okay? Roll with me here. Don't be clingy. Now, apart from the fact that being clingy is a turnoff, no one is going to respect you. It does not command any kind of respect when you're a clingy guy. If you're following your babe around, if you're following your woman around like a lost puppy, love struck, you can't seem to do anything without her being in the same space as you or in your presence, then we have a problem here. I mean, in the beginning, it might be cute. You know, she'll think, oh, this guy loves me so much. He's checking up on me 10 times a day. And then after a while, it's like, what kind of a psycho am I dating? You know, because people need their space. And the fact that she's dating you doesn't mean she's lost her individuality or access to her friends and that kind of thing. Plus, if you're following her around like a lost puppy, chances are she's going to turn around and snap at you. You know what I mean? So give her space. And as much as you love her, don't always be accessible to her. Give her some space to breathe. Give her some space to do what she loves other than being with you, you know, and that will earn you some respect. Trust me, I've dated a couple of guys who were extremely clingy, and that relationship did not last because at the end of the day, I want to know that you have other things that will keep you occupied beside myself. I cannot be everything to you. In fact, I do not want to be everything to you. I want to be able to complement your life, but not take over it. You understand? And so don't be clingy. If you want a woman to respect you, hold your own. Even if you're tempted, don't do it. Please don't do it. Next, keep your word. And I cannot overemphasize how important this particular point is. Now, there are too many people who say A and do B, who say they'll be there and are never there, who say they will give you something and never actually live up to that expectation or promise. Now, not only does that make you come across as a liar, it also makes you come across as someone who is completely unreliable. And what do you do? How do you feel about people who are unreliable? You lose all respect for them. When they say something, you literally cannot hold on to their word because it means nothing. You understand? If you want to be in a position of respect, honor your word every time. If you cannot honor it, do not give it. And that's really how it's supposed to be. Final point, be independent. Independence is sexy. Independence commands respect because it means that no one else can control your life without your permission. Now, here's the thing. There are a lot of men who are attached to their mothers, and it's such a beautiful thing to behold. But guess what? You're not the only one with a mother. You're not the only one who loves the female figure in your life. Now, to the point that your mother is the one taking decisions in your relationship, trying to tell your girlfriend how to love you better, how to lay your bed, how to cook your food, how to set your table, how to iron your clothes, if that's the kind of thing that your woman does. Now, she's observing, and she's going to see that you do not have a mind of your own. And guess what that says to her? This guy is a wuss. All right. Now, if you want to come across as strong and if you want to command respect, You better be independent. And not just in a mama's boy kind of situation, but pretty much in everything. In your decision making, in your finances, in every single aspect of your life. Let the independence in you, the independent person that you are, shine through. Okay? Seek people's opinions, but by all means, let the final decision be yours. I hope that these tips were helpful. If they were, don't forget to smash the hell out of the like button, because your girl would like that. Plus, it takes a lot of time to create these videos. So thanks for the support. Share this video with some of you guys as well. And we'll catch you on another episode right here on my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.